Hello everyone, I am Diva Samai and thank you for tuning in to watch Beauty in Bloom here on the Capitol View. Today is going to be another very fun, informative beauty segment featuring DIY from the stars. So from supermodels Iman's beauty secrets to actress Catherine Zeta Jones's favorite strawberry toothpaste, let's jump right into this beauty segment. Okay, family, so first up on the list is Supermodels Iman DIY Somalian face mask, which is comprised of milk, turmeric, flour, and honey. So I actually made the mask myself. So the exact recipe would be 2 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and just a splash of honey. So after you get it into the mask, basically into a mask consistency, you'll apply it like Iman likes to do all over the face and directly on the mask. And then she also likes to usually finish this up or follows up with an eye mask underneath for puffiness. So you will place this on your skin for at least about 20 to 30 minutes. And after regular or consistent use, Iman actually believes that this will leave your skin very soft, dewy, and radiant in tone because of the turmeric and the acids in the turmeric is supposed to help tone the skin. So definitely give this a try. Easy ingredients, which is located in everyone's kitchen. This is again Somali Beauty's DIY face mask by supermodel Iman. Okay, family, so let's discuss one of my favorite actresses of all time, Miss Catherine Zeta Jones's DIY strawberry toothpaste beauty treatment. So you take 2 to 3 strawberries, you puree them in a machine, and then you add about a teaspoon of baking powder. So the science behind this is that strawberries contain some type of malic acid that actually whiten the teeth naturally. And so when the actress doesn't have time to take this concoction and basically brush her teeth like you would with your regular toothpaste, she also likes to follow up every meal with an apple because apples contain some type of enzyme that naturally whitens your teeth as well. And I think this is a very healthy, organic way to actually whiten your teeth naturally. And why not? Because as the saying goes, a doctor a day keeps an apple a day. Keeps the doctors away. So definitely try this fun DIY strawberry puree whitening toothpaste by actress Catherine Zeta Jones, or if not, follow up simply with an apple after every meal for natural teeth whitening. Give it a go. And another beauty secret of actress Catherine Zeta Jones is her honey and salt mixture body scrub. So basically this is great for the summer. You'll just go and take a half part of salt, half part of honey, and you'll apply it like a regular body scrub. And you'll apply it to your skin. This is natural, all organic, and honey is basically a natural humectant. So after you exfoliate your skin, you're also getting a nice moisturizer and hydration back into your skin because honey is a natural humectant. So definitely give this a try by Catherine Zeta Jones. Is again her honey and salt body exfoliator. Okay, so next up on the list, family, let's jump into supermodel Cindy Crawford's milk spray. This is just simply comprised of half milk, half water, and you apply it in a spray bottle. She swears by it. She likes to apply it on her face, then on her neck. If you want to, you can take a cotton swab, such as this right here, and basically, again, apply it on your face and on your neck. The benefits of this treatment is that it's supposed to smooth, hydrate the skin, reduce fine lines and wrinkles to improve overall skin's firmness. Again, this is Cindy Crawford's half milk and water facial and neck spray. Give this a go. Okay, family, so lastly on the list is actually a DIY by actress Julia Roberts. It's rumored that Julia Roberts has a thing for her hands. So once a week, she'll basically take a large bowl such as this one with some lukewarm water, and she adds 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and she soaks her hand into this treatment for at least about 10 minutes. I personally feel that this is a wonderful treatment, especially during the winter months, to get additional moisture to your skin. So after you do the soaking for about 10 minutes, you'll take and you'll wash your hands with your regular soap. I also recommend that you'll follow up with Tavia Rose Products multifunctional lipstick and cuticle conditioner. It's made of organic honey, cocoon butter, and jasmine extract. So what you'll basically want to do is go in after you moisturize your lips at night, but just go in and apply the cream to your cuticles like this. And what I love to do, as always, is to follow up with my favorite hand cream at night to get the additional moisture in your lips. Again, this is a lip conditioner by Tavia Rose Products. Visit www.taviarose to receive 15% off at checkout. And again, this was Julia Roberts DIY water and olive oil hand treatment. Give it a go. Okay, family, so there you have it. My DIY beauty picks for some of the most beautiful women in the world. Again, I am Diva Samai, and thank you for tuning in to watch Beauty in Bloom here on the Capitol View. Please stay safe until we see each other again next time. Bye-bye.